We use the Gripple for seismic bracing and for our hangers, for our rectangular duct. The first time that I used Gripple was about 24 years ago when it was being introduced to the St. Louis area, and I thought it was a wonderful product. I told my boss that this would save time and man hours on any project that we use it on. And it is proven to over the years. I've used it quite often. And matter of fact, it's my go-to. I chose Gripple hangers because they're more efficient than anything else on the market right now. Considering that we used to use band iron for hanger straps all over the place, and it's very time consuming. You know, you put the hanger in, set the trapeze to your height, and you're ready to start hanging ductwork. Well, I've not used this Gripple seismic products until this job. Normally in the past, what we've always used is unistrut with the little seismic clip that goes in. And so what you have is a guy holding up maybe an 18-foot piece of unistrut that weighs 20 or 30 pounds. Your arm begins to shake while you're trying to put the clip in, and you just hope that you can get that thing locked in so that you can let go and work your way down. One man can do this safely without worrying about dropping it on someone working below. So safety is a concern, speed is a concern, efficiency. It can all be one-man work. Using Gripple for seismic probably reduces your man hours by 40%, and using it for hangers, that would, I have no idea, at least 25–30% using that for hangers, rather than the way that we used to do it. The young guys, they've been using Gripple since they started, but the guys who've been around for a while, they realize the cost effectiveness and the speed. When it comes to cutting costs on a job, man hours are a priority. Anytime you can do something like this that reduces your man hours, profits go up, everyone's happy. I would definitely use it for the rest of my career. And I think that the rest of the company is sold on it now because of my experience at this project.